Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. In this video we will learn one of the most powerful core skills in N8N, the HTTP request node. We will understand what APIs are, how GET and POST request works, and build a real API workflow step by step. Let's get started. So we talk about an API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It allows different applications to communicate with each other. For example, when you use a weather app, it does not store weather data itself. It requests data from a weather API. So basically, API is equal to request goes to response. One app sends a request, another app sends back data. API is like a waiter. You order food and it brings your request from the kitchen. Now let's use the HTTP request node in N8N. This node allows us to connect with any external API. It is one of the most powerful nodes because it can replace many apps integrations. Now I add manual trigger. Add another node which is HTTP request node. Manual trigger help us test our flow. HTTP will call the API. I need URL. Open Chrome, write JSON placeholder. Click on this website. Scroll down. Resources. Click on post. Copy this URL. Back to N8N and paste on it. Click execute step. As you can see, you receive data in JSON format. This is how APIs return structured data. GET request is used to retrieve data from an API. We are not sending data, we are only asking for data. JSON is a simple format used to send and receive data. After this, we need another node, which is HTTP node. Duplicate this node, connect it with previous node. Open this node and change the method. Post enable send body. Change this from using JSON. Curly bracket, press enter. Quotation mark, title, quotation mark, colon, again quotation mark, N8N tutorial, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, body, quotation mark, colon, again quotation mark, write learning API in capital words, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, user, I capital, D small, quotation mark, colon, 1, press enter, curly bracket. POST request is used to send data to an API, for example, creating a user, sending a form, submitting data. Click execute step. Here's your JSON. Node executed successfully. Click execute workflow. You can see your workflow executed successfully. Now you understand how APIs work and how to use HTTP request node in N8N. This is a core skill that unlocks unlimited integrations. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.